Fifth component of the art of pitching, solution. Here's the solution step by step. Welcome back. Part 2 में आपका स्वागत है. In the first part, we studied the 4 most critical components of the art of pitching: style statement, problems, commonality, and credibility. Did you watch the first part of the video in the art of pitching topic? If you didn't, please turn off this video. Do not watch this video until you have watched part 1 of the video. अगर आपने Art of Pitching का first part video देखा है, तो आपको अब तक समझ आ गया होगा about how do you create an enticing, exciting and powerful style statement. How do you clearly outline all the problems and challenges that your prospects or clients are facing, and why is it so important? How to explain your story of struggles and create commonality with your audience. And then we learned how to establish your credibility well with your audience. We encourage you to take the art of pitching very seriously and to make it a lifelong study. आपका मैसेज लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए and you deserve to make money while serving others. इसके लिए आपको highly effective and empowering expert बनना पड़ेगा. Becoming a great expert is like anything else. You master it by learning from others, doing it yourself, experimenting, testing and improving. The art of pitching का 5वां critical component है focus on solution. What's the solution? Step by step. What is the choice that your prospect or client must make? The choice is where you show them what your solution is. You talked about what it can do. You talked about the problems that people must overcome. You talk about who you are. You talk about why you are credible, why they should listen to you, why they should buy from you. You spoke about being a result expert or a research expert. And now you present the choice. Here's my thing, my product, my service, my offering, and you need to set it up as a choice. कोई भी प्रेजेंटेशन, सेल्स मैसेज या फिर पिच इफेक्टिव नहीं होगी जब तक आप एक क्लियर और पावरफुल चॉइस अपने प्रोस्पेक्ट्स के माइंड के लिए नहीं बन जाते. आपको अपना प्रोडक्ट, आइडिया या फिर सर्विस इस तरह से प्रेजेंट करनी चाहिए that it is obviously different and better than anything else out there. Be bold in bemoaning why other offerings in the marketplace are insufficient or ineffective. State strongly and specifically why your solution is the best available to date. अपने solutions के सारे benefits दिखाइए जिससे prospects आपके ही solutions को जरूरी समझे. एक और secret है, super secret, hundreds of marketing secrets से भी ऊपर, जो कि हम इंडियन डिजाइन लीग में सिखाते हैं. हमने बहुत सारे टॉप एक्सपर्ट्स और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के साथ काम किया है, उन्हें ट्रेन किया है और कोचिंग के टाइम पर वी हैव नोटिस्ड दैट व्हाइल मार्केटिंग what they are really missing is that they are just presenting their stuff. They are saying here's my stuff, buy it. They are not showing why it is an intelligent choice. आपको एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा कि आपके ऑफर के कंपोनेंट्स क्या हैं. आपको एजुकेशन बेस्ड मार्केटिंग करनी चाहिए and frame everything as if you chose this thing. If you buy this product, if you buy this service, if you invest in this idea, if you take this action, you get these changes. The product or service that you are offering them needs to be set up as an intelligent choice for them. For example, in this video, the whole 5 components that we discussed up till now is a part of an intelligent solution. That's what we are covering in this particular video right now. From style statement to problems to commonality to credibility and now solution. This is all a part of solution to your challenge of how do you influence someone to buy into your product or idea or service, or how do you convince your friends, family or banker to invest in your idea. Sixth component of art of pitching, old world versus the new world. Then we talk about here's the old world and the new world, and in other words you are kind of exposing how things have changed. ये काफी जरूरी है. चलिए इसे भी एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. इंडियन डिजाइन लीग के इस हाई परफॉर्मेंस इन्फ्लुएंसर प्रोग्राम में हम आपसे कई बार कहते हैं कोविड-19 के बाद अब बिजनेस और बिजनेस करने का तरीका दोनों काफी ट्रांसफॉर्म हुए हैं। We all know the digital virtual economy is here. You know it's here, right? You know, you used to see all these brick and mortar business owners like coffee bars, tea saloons, mobile shops, stationery shops, restaurants, boutiques and clothing line, or any of these traditional businesses selling their products and services in a traditional brick and mortar offline setup. But we have just been forced to move digital since the world is moving online now. आज लाखों करोड़ों लोग ऑनलाइन पैसा कमा रहे हैं, but millions more wait in the wings क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि there are only few ways to create an income stream on the internet. लेकिन सच्चाई तो ये है कि ये बात बिल्कुल सही नहीं है. There are many different ways to earn money on the internet today and many different types of online businesses to leverage for this purpose. And we are here to tell you something right now. शायद ब्रिक एंड मोटार मोड के जरिए बिजनेस करना एक ऑप्शन हुआ करता था, but today we have just been forced into a global virtual economy, right? Being online, whether you are a professional such as doctor, dentist, lawyer, experts, creators and innovators like fashion designer, interior designer, event managers, CEOs, entrepreneurs, middle managers, salespeople and custom service representatives, या फिर educationalists and edupreneurs. ये आज की नेसेसिटी है, चॉइस नहीं, और सवाल आपके ऊपर है. Are you going to scale up right when it is most needed in literally the history of the world? Are you gonna get there? Are you going to learn what to do online to share your creativity, to grow, to scale, to earn, to make magic happen? Are you going to be that person who shows up right now in the highest time of need ever? Are you going to create the products and programs that you can put up online that can give your family security, that can give your family freedom or abundance, that can help you actually participate in this global digital economy? सवाल ये भी है, आप इस इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस में अपने करियर, लाइफ और बिजनेस को कैसे आगे लेकर जाएंगे? आप क्या कर सकते हैं जिससे आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ, करियर और बिजनेस ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचे और उन्हें इम्पैक्ट करे? टू बिल्ड बिजनेस, टू अर्न मोर, टू सर्व मोर, टू इंस्पायर मोर. यू गॉट इट राइट. दैट्स द ओल्ड वर्सेस द न्यू वर्ल्ड. लोग हमेशा कुछ नया करने के लिए अट्रैक्टेड होते हैं. People are attracted to the next thing. And for you, now basically this is your real positioning for credibility. आपकी स्ट्रगल की स्टोरी और उसके नतीजे, आपकी सक्सेस, ये सब इम्पोर्टेंट है. और हाँ, याद रखिए, we start with the story of struggle, not the success. So you are not bragging or telling them anything about your achievements until you have shared the problems and challenges with your audience. Remember, लोग आपकी सक्सेस को तब तक नहीं देखेंगे जब तक उन्हें आपकी स्ट्रगल ना पता हो. एक छोटा सा रिविजन कर लेते हैं. The way you go through creating your pitch till now is by doing these things: style statement, problems, commonality, credibility, solution, old world versus new world. Pretty cool concepts, right? Seventh component of the art of pitching: concerns, do's and don'ts. Here are the common mistakes. अब बारी है नेक्स्ट कंपोनेंट की. यहाँ हमें उनके कंसर्न्स, ऑब्जेक्शंस, डूज एंड डोंट्स, कॉमन मिस्टेक्स और उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस को एड्रेस करना चाहिए. Soon as you share the insight related to the old world versus the new world, they still have these things. Is this for me? Can anyone do this? Will this be an intelligent choice? Will I get value for my money? Can I start right now? ये वो कंसर्न्स हैं जिन्हें आपको जरूर एड्रेस करना चाहिए. What are the likely objections your prospects will have to buying your solution? What do they doubt about you? What do they fear won't happen when they get your product or service? इन सवालों का जवाब देना बहुत जरूरी है और ये आपके मार्केटिंग, सेल्स और डिलीवरी मैसेज के सक्सेस के लिए काफी इम्पोर्टेंट है. ग्रेट मार्केटर्स एंड एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत सारा टाइम यही ऑब्जेक्शंस और फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस पर इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, जो कि उनके प्रोस्पेक्ट्स के डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस के बीच जरूर आएगा. You should too. All of this, you must be addressing their objections, their common concerns. But overcoming the concerns in marketing is really important and you have to be diligent about it. So, what you often do is you ask people, hey, if I was going to offer something like this, what would be your main objection to it? Amit, फाउंडर एंड चेयरमैन ऑफ इंडियन डिजाइन लीग, भी ये एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. वो सबसे पूछते हैं, एवरीबॉडी, हिज पार्टनर अमर, people who are in his industry, people who are not. He asks his wife Rashmi before he begins any campaigns. कंसर्न्स कितना भी बड़ा या छोटा हो, अगर वो कंसर्न पहली ही कॉन्वर्सेशन में सामने आया है तो वो डेफिनेटली इम्पोर्टेंट है. देन अमित मेक्स श्योर दैट इट इज इन हिज मार्केटिंग. Personally, we never pitch anything without first conducting informal tests with our in-house mentors, our stakeholders, our friends, strangers, and previous students. We tell them what we have. We show them our programs and sales videos, and then we ask, what concerns or objections do you think someone might have to buying this? Would you personally buy this right now, paying cash on the spot? Why or why not? The lessons we learn from these tests translate directly and explicitly into our products and offerings. मार्केटिंग के जरिए अपने प्रोस्पेक्ट्स और क्लाइंट्स की कंसर्न्स एड्रेस करना काफी जरूरी है. This is powerful, by the way. When you start stacking these in the art of pitching all in one pitch or marketing campaigns, it's just like bam. That's how you launch your brand and a business online and serve online. That's how you sell out your products and services and make people invest in your venture or an idea. That's how you make a fortune, simply by following the learnings shared in this, the art of pitching video, and then taking action and implementing the learnings. Eighth component of the art of pitching, call to action. Here's the first thing you do once you finish the video. Obviously, the eighth component, the last one, is the one most people forget, is you got to have the call to action. Making a strong close and call to action would seem like a no-brainer, but almost every new aspiring expert we have ever met fails here. A great call to action builds to a crescendo, stacking on so many exciting benefits, bonuses, guarantees, and urgency messages that the consumer thinks, I must buy this now. Let's unpack that last sentence. A great call to action stacks messages. First, it stacks benefits and bonuses, more reasons and value for the prospect to buy right now. That's why in every infomercial you have ever seen offering some silly products, they always double the offer at the end. Yes, you got not just one, but 2 Ninja Ginsu knife sets when you order right now. Second, great closes removes risk and set the prospect at ease. Hey, if you aren't fully satisfied with this product, then return it within 30 days and we will refund your entire payment. Guarantees are incredibly important in our expert industry. जहां एक तरफ न्यूबीज को इस बात का डर होता है कि गारंटी के चक्कर में लोग उनकी ऑफरिंग्स का फायदा उठाएंगे, लेकिन फैक्ट ये है कि मोर पीपल विल बाय योर ऑफरिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस गारंटी देन विल अब्यूज इट. नेक्स्ट, a great close ends with scarcity or urgency messaging, telling the prospect why they must buy now or risk losing this great value price or one-time offer. Simple, साफ और सटीक. आपकी क्लोजिंग पावरफुल होनी चाहिए with a clear, direct, simple and repeated call to actions. Click the button below right now to get started or call this telephone number right now to order. The call to action is not just, hey, if you are interested, click that button right now. And by the way, you have to say that. People often forget that. You have to say it. Click the button right now or enroll now or buy right now. फोन उठाइए और ऑर्डर करने के लिए तुरंत कॉल करें. आपको लोगों को डायरेक्शंस देनी होगी कि क्या करना है और कैसे. It's if you want to accomplish these things, click the button below right now. We will get to the beginning and we will see you on the other side. It needs to be directive, real. You need to be confident about it. A lot of people say, So I hope you like this, and I hope we can serve you someday. So hopefully I shall see you on the other side. No, be directive. Say it in bold. Click on the button right now and buy now. और हाँ, कॉल टू एक्शन सिर्फ एक बटन पर क्लिक करने के लिए नहीं है. आपके कॉल टू एक्शन को एंड में वो फीलिंग होनी जरूरी है. फीलिंग ऑफ द कॉल टू एक्शन. So in this video, if you really look at the last 3 or 4 minutes, you must have already noticed that my tonality is picking up. It's speeding up and it's getting more directive. That's on purpose. 1. Because obviously we are very excited and we get just fired up. But 2. It's because we know the call to action is to feel like a sweeping movement that we are caught up into. इसमें हलचल यानी motion, पावर, टोन और स्पीड सब जरूरी है. So they click the action and they go. It's not just telling them what to do. It's a tonality of what to do that often makes that call to action real, and it makes them buy your stuff. You need to be very conscious how you end your conversation. So people, take action. Think about what you are telling them. Be directive. आपका tone, sound ये भी जरूरी है. Even if it's in sales pitch or presentation. अगर आप फोन पर हैं तो आपके inflections high और stronger होने चाहिए towards the end. अगर टेक्स्ट या फिर प्रिंटेड ब्रोशर है तो फिर आपके sentences long नहीं, short और choppier होने चाहिए. Click that thing. That's what the art of pitching and influencing others at its most effective is. एक बार जब आपने आर्ट ऑफ पिचिंग सीखी और इम्प्लीमेंट की, it's time to alert the world to who you are and what you offer. It's time to promote yourself. Reality ये है कि ज्यादातर अपकमिंग एक्सपर्ट्स मार्केटिंग और सेलिंग के आइडिया से काफी घबराते हैं. But the good news is that marketing in our industry is very different from what many expect. चलिए एक मिथ जो सबसे कॉमन है वो डिस्पेल करते हैं. Many experts in our space often say, your number one job is to be marketing yourself all the time. Intention तो सही है, लेकिन message नहीं. In business, आपका पहला काम है to add massive value in your client's life. That's what you felt compelled. That's what you should feel compelled to do. And that's what you must do. Luckily for you, we are at an interesting crossroad in time when training is marketing. पुराने जमाने में मार्केटिंग फील्ड में एक्सपर्ट्स सीधे वन ऑफ प्रमोशंस भेजते थे अपने कस्टमर्स को, अनाउंसिंग दे हैड अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल. For example, a fashion designer or an interior designer would send out postcard, brochure and email out of the blue, announcing their new creation. They would say in effect, attention, I know I haven't talked to you for a while, but by golly, I have something that can help you or your house look gorgeous. Buy my stuff now. ये जो अनाउंसमेंट मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी है उसने कभी काम किया ही नहीं है और आज के टाइम पे तो ये यूजलेस है. The better approach for experts today is to add value to your consumers for free by actually sharing with them industry data and research data and educating them. हमने हाई परफॉर्मेंस मॉड्यूल के वीडियोस में इसके बारे में भी सीखा है, where the title of the video was What is EBM and how you can add massive value in order to launch your brand and simultaneously outteach the competition. जैसा उस वीडियो में बताया गया था, आइडिया सिर्फ इतना है, to add massive value in your customer's life and build trust by sharing industry data and research data through videos, webinars, blogs, through tweets, by teaching, by writing, by speaking, or any other effective means of communication. And add value over a series of days and weeks. ऐसे इंफॉर्मेशन और एजुकेशन बेस्ड मार्केटिंग का डेटा शेयर करो जो आपके क्लाइंट्स के लिए वैल्यूएबल हो, and you will slowly but surely build raving fans. Then you need to get the word out. The right prospects will already be listening. Don't just sell, educate them. The distinction is subtle but meaningful. Never sell without first adding significant value. यही डिफरेंस है प्रमोशन और कैंपेनिंग का. By sharing knowledge, information and educating your customers first, your customers get to connect with who you are and what you have to offer them. Then, when you say that you have something for sale, they have a better understanding of the value and a higher anticipation and likelihood of buying. अगर आप बाइंग बिहेवियर और साइकोलॉजी को समझेंगे तो आपके प्रमोशंस अच्छा काम करेंगे. Most of the Indian Design League videos have been built to teach this and give specific campaigns to fashion designers, interior designers, event managers, animators, life coach, career coach, business coach, educationalists and aspiring entrepreneurs and experts, and help them to teach and scale their brand and business online. The basic concept of promoting anything for purchase, though, are universal. किसी भी अच्छे मार्केटिंग, सेल्स या डिलीवरी मैसेज के लिए 8 एलिमेंट्स जरूरी हैं और ये सब आपके सेल्स कोलैटरल्स, मार्केटिंग मटेरियल और डिलीवरी मटेरियल में होने चाहिए. चाहे वो कॉर्पोरेट प्रेजेंटेशन हो, वीडियो डॉक्यूमेंट्री हो, वेबसाइट, सेल्स ब्रोशर, मार्केटिंग या फिर सेल्स पिच. Anything wherein you need to effectively implement the concept learned today in the art of pitching. These are the 8 components of any marketing, sales and delivery pitch. एक भी आप भूले तो मामला गड़बड़ हो सकता है. अगर आपने सभी को फॉलो किया तो वो 3 Idiots मूवी का आपको डायलॉग तो याद ही है ना. काबिल बनो, कामयाबी झक मारकर पीछे आएगी ही. सक्सेस आपको डेफिनेटली मिलेगा. No questions asked. That's often what we do is when we look at anyone's marketing or sales message. We'll just pull out our 8 components here and we'll go down. We'll go how well are they making a style statement? How enticing and exciting and powerful is the style statement? How well have they outlined all the problems and challenges that people will face? How well have they explained their story of struggles so they create commonality with people? How well have they displayed their credibility? How well have they explained the choice, the solution, and why it's a good solution? How well have they showed the old versus the new world, do's and don'ts? Ultimately, how well did they do the call of action, which is often the biggest piece? क्योंकि अगर आपने सब कुछ परफेक्टली कवर किया और फिर कॉल टू एक्शन में फीके पड़ गए तो लोग एक्शन नहीं लेंगे. Those are the 8 components of marketing, selling and delivering message in the art of pitching or influencing others to take action and make your clients buy into your product, idea or service. ग्रेट मार्केटर बनने के लिए आपको उसे मास्टर करना पड़ेगा by learning from others, doing it yourself, following the framework, experimenting, testing and improving. हम आपको encourage करते हैं कि आप यहाँ पढ़ाए गए The Art of Pitching और the 8 components of marketing, selling and delivery mastery को seriously लें and make it a lifelong study. आपकी पिच और आपका प्रेजेंटेशन लोगों तक पहुंचना डिजर्व करता है and you deserve to make money when serving others. To do so, you must become a highly effective and empowering expert entrepreneur and take your career, brand and business online. Guess work को छोड़िए. अगले हफ्ते क्या करेंगे ये डिसाइड करिए, साल की बातें नहीं. Figure out focal point for your brand and business. अगली सबसे जरूरी चीज को फिगर आउट कर लीजिए एंड डू दैट. मेक डिसीजंस राइट बिफोर यू डू समथिंग एंड गो फॉर इट. ये जो ग्रेट सेल्स मैसेज के 8 कंपोनेंट्स हैं वो गुड मार्केटिंग, सेल्स और डिलीवरी के ओवरव्यू हैं. वी होप दे सर्व यू इन थिंकिंग अबाउट योर नेक्स्ट मार्केटिंग प्रमोशन एंड फुलफिलमेंट. If you would like to go deeper into the world of marketing your creativity and becoming a high performance influencer, simply visit our website Indian Design League and enroll for the High Performance Influencer program by entering your contact information and clicking on the link there. Enroll now before the life gets in the way. We are always sharing advanced marketing strategies and tactics with our students who enroll with us in the HPI program. एक और बात, अब हमारा नेक्स्ट वीडियो थोड़ा सा और एडवांस वर्जन है जिसमें बात होगी माइंडसेट ऑफ द कस्टमर्स की, what we call mindset marketing. These are hooks, very powerful motivators of anyone. When you explain your product, your service, and you do well with these hooks, magic happens. Thanks again for watching, learning, and understanding the art of pitching with Indian Design League. Stay tuned for more such videos.